In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot to set up payments within your company profile. This guide will help you make sure everything is correctly configured and optimized for managing your accounts effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking for a refresher on performing these specific tasks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and direct yourself to the user guide on HubSpot. If you're unfamiliar with how to get to this page, just enter the direct URL in your browser and log in using your credentials. The user guide is an invaluable resource, offering a wealth of information, so it's beneficial to keep it handy for future reference as you're getting acquainted with HubSpot's myriad of tools and features. Once you're on the user guide page, locate and click on the Companies section. This menu is designed to display all the companies in your database, allowing you to efficiently manage and organize them. Taking a moment to explore this view is important, as it helps you visualize all your stored company data. Familiarity with this layout ensures that you can quickly find and access the information you need without hassle. Next, you'll need to click on HubSpot within the company's interface. This will guide you to a more focused view where you can manage specific details related to your engagement and interactions with your clients. Understanding these records helps in maintaining clarity and accuracy in your customer relationships and can greatly impact your business strategies by giving you insights into how you interact with different clients. After you've clicked on HubSpot, look for the Set Up Payments option. Clicking here will take you to the payment configuration area. It's essential at this stage to carefully read any instructions provided and be cautious while entering payment-related information to avoid any errors. If it's your first time setting up payments, take this opportunity to review your company policies and payment terms, ensuring everything aligns correctly before you proceed. By following these steps, you'll have successfully navigated through HubSpot's interface to set up payments for your company. I recommend taking a moment to review all entered information for accuracy and completeness. Doing so can prevent any potential issues down the line, and remember, HubSpot's support and user guides are always available to assist you if you encounter any problems or if something isn't quite clear. Keep practicing these steps to get more confident and efficient with HubSpot. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or consult further resources online. Until next time, happy navigating.